Today, first of all, we are going to learn about indicators, and then I'm going to show you pH paper and the color changes. Natural indicator pH paper you have made yourself. Very beautiful video was made. Today I will upload, and today this synthetic indicators and the pH paper which is available in our lab, that also we will see today. So you can pin me to see it clearly, right? All of you switch on your video, bacha, right? So you can see pH paper is there, and the colors
Yes,
are also barcode colors are there from 0 to 7. As I told you, pH paper has the strip over it such that it shows us the numbers of pH 0 to 14. Here you can see 0 to 7. In the second one it is from 8 to 14. पहले ऐसा आता था pH पेपर की दोनों तरफ होता था, but this pH strip having 0 to 7 with 6 7 solutions, because I can't bring in the classroom, so I'm not showing you. I'm showing you with 3 solutions today: neutral, acidic, and basic solution, right? So what is the advantage of using pH paper instead of using other indicators like litmus paper, litmus solution? Why we are using pH paper? Why we used to prefer pH paper only? What is the reason? Why we prefer to use pH paper instead of using litmus paper? Yes, Unnati? Manya?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
because it
tells,
is a
ma'am.
ma'am,
Because it
because it
helps
is a
us to,
universal indicator, and ma'am, it can identify the basic nature, acidic nature, and neutral nature at the same time.
yes. And
And ma'am,
second,
in litmus paper, we cannot do it.
yes. And secondly, it tells us the strength of the acid, strength of the base as well. How much acidic it is, how much basic it is strong acidic or strong basic, that also by change of the colors. As you can see in the
Yes,
strip,
ma'am.
right? So red color is for 1. And as we are moving towards the low acidic, the color is changing to orange, then yellow, and as it is moving towards the neutral, that is 7, it is becoming yellowish color, right? So this is the pH paper, and the original color of pH paper, you can pin me so that you can view it very clearly. Can you view it
Ma'am,
now?
the original color is yellow only, like
यस,
no
येलो
strips
कलर
made.
न्यूट्रल है ना बेटा, न्यूट्रल है ना. अगर ये एसिडिक या बेसिक होगा तो रिजल्ट गलत देगा, तो हमें न्यूट्रल कलर दिखाएगा ना. दैट इज द pH 7. सी, the pH 7 is yellowish, right? So it is mixture of many indicators, and that the strip we have made, as one of the child from your class have made beautiful video with the help of, you can make your own pH
pH
paper
paper.
China rose.
China
with
rose.
the help of
China
China rose,
rose.
right? That day I told you, na. So all of you can try for this at your home even, right? So this pH paper, I am taking one strip of it, and I have brought acetic acid, because here in the classroom I wanted that low acidic or weak acid or weak base to be used only. So I have brought acetic acid, you can see in this bottle, and I have brought weak base, that is ammonium hydroxide, right? And in this test tube, I'm going to make neutral solution, that is by adding the common salt, NaCl. NaCl is a neutral salt, right? Day before yesterday we have done the reaction. Na? There also I told you the common salt which we eat is a neutral salt. So I have brought this common salt, and I'm going to add in this. Okay. Again, I would request you to, whenever you are using chemical, a small amount of the chemical is sufficient. So I'm using only 1 pinch of sodium chloride. बहुत ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत नहीं होती to see the results, right? So I've added salt, common salt to it. Now this is neutral solution too with me. So first I will put drop of acetic acid on the pH paper. What color change you will observe? What do you think? What do you think? What color you change?
Ma'am, red.
Or
Red.
orange.
Pink.
Ma'am, it
Pink
will turn
because I'm
into
using
red or
weak
orange.
acid. Ananya, I show you ना बेटा just now that pH paper weak acid क्या color दिखा रहा है? Pink color.
Ma'am,
Red कब
pink.
दिखाएगा? when I will
Ma'am,
use
pink.
strong
Strong
acid,
acids.
strong acid,
Stronger.
right?
Strong
So
acid.
acetic acid is a weak acid, so it will show us pink color, right? So let
Pink.
us see. We have 10% solution in our lab. I'm putting a drop of it. I'm putting this camera a little bit down so that you can see my table, right? You can see now table. I'm putting few drops.
Ma'am,
ज़्यादा
still not
इसलिए लगा रही
visible.
हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को नजर आ सके. Now see बेटा. The color is changed to pink color,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to put few drops of ammonium hydroxide. In this bottle, I have weak base, that is ammonium hydroxide. So I'm going to put ammonium hydroxide on it. वैसे लैब में जब आप करते हैं बेटा आपको थोड़ा ही लगाना है बिकॉज हेयर यू मे बी नॉट एबल टू ऑब्जर्व क्लियरली सो आई एम पुटिंग इट मोर so that for your clarity of the concept. Otherwise, in lab, we can use only one pH paper and we can see the result of 6 7 solutions. Yes, can you compare now the
Yes.
above paper? The
Yes,
above
ma'am.
part of the paper is showing the test for
Ma'am, base.
base because
Ma'am,
it is
base.
slightly bluish in
Base.
color. Because it is a weak base, ammonium hydroxide is a weak base, so we have seen that the color is changed to light blue, not very greenish blue, we can say it is greenish blue, right? And as I have used a weak acid, so the color have changed to light pink,
Pink.
right? So now you can compare it very clearly. Now the third one I'm going to put is neutral salt solution. So what do you think? What color you will observe? What color change you
Ma'am,
will
no
observe?
color change. Ma'am, no color. No color change.
No color change. Almost greenish or yellow it will be, right? It depends on what type of the wet water is there. Yes. So that means in our school lab, the water is pure. It is not acidic, neither it is too much basic. You can see the color is not changed. It is
Yes, ma'am.
similar to the
Yes, ma'am.
7 one. And pH is almost 7. So as I told you, sodium chloride is a neutral salt. So you can compare with it. What is the pH value? What is
Ma'am,
the pH
7.
value? 7,
7.
almost 7. Because
7.
sodium chloride is a neutral salt, right? Sodium chloride is a neutral salt, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
this acetic acid is having pH range about, what is the pH range of acetic acid?
Ma'am, it is
Please
about
compare.
3
Around
or
5.
4.
3 or 4. Very good. Excellent. Lakshay, what about the pH of ammonium hydroxide?
Ma'am,
Divya
8 to
Prakash,
9. Ma'am,
Ananya,
5 to 6.
ammonium hydroxide is a basic solution. How could it be
Ma'am,
5 to
8 to
6?
9.
It may be 8 or 9. It is not shown here. You can compare it with your book. Clear? So, with the help of single piece of pH paper, we can come to know how much is the acidic, how much is the basic, the strength of acid, weak acid, strong acid, or weak base or strong acid, right? With 6 7 solutions, I will make a separate video in the lab only tomorrow, sure, and share it with you, right? Now, the second test we are going to do today is methyl orange and phenolphthalein. That is the synthetic indicators or what it is? मिथाइल ऑरेंज क्या है?
Synthetic indicator.
Synthetic indicator.
Ma'am,
You
synthetic
can see
indicator.
methyl orange, original color as it is saying methyl orange, so orangish in color. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Similarly,
Yes, ma'am.
phenolphthalein original color is
Colorless.
colorless, right? So
Ma'am, colorless.
methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein colorless, methyl orange is orangish in color, right? Now I'm going to take in the test tube again same acid, few drops of same acid, but few drops are enough. But here, because of the virtual world, we are sitting here, so I'm taking small amount, 5 ml nearby, so that you can see it clearly. आप ये ना कहें कि मैम दिख नहीं रहा. So I'm adding few more drops. Oh, the previous test is showing it is. The test tube was not clean, so it has shown immediately the change of color. The test tube should be clean, then only results will be better, right? So see, I have taken ammonium hydroxide. Now in this ammonium hydroxide, you can see the colorless solution it is. Ammonium hydroxide is colorless. If I
Yes,
add,
ma'am.
if
Yes,
I add
ma'am.
phenolphthalein it is in it, what color will be observed?
Ma'am, pink.
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 Ma'am, pink.
But if I add
Ma'am,
methyl orange to it,
pinkish.
if I add methyl orange to it, what color change will be there?
Ma'am, yellow.
Yellow. Excellent. Excellent. Right? So I'm adding methyl orange. The color change will be, you can see drop by drop it will come out. We need not to add much amount of the chemicals. Few drops are enough to show the result. What color is there?
Yellow.
Ma'am,
Orange, yellow.
yellow.
Orange, yellow.
Yellow color is there.
Orange.
Okay? Right? Yellow color is there. But
Yes, ma'am.
in the same base, if I add phenolphthalein, colorless solution, and I'm adding phenolphthalein, what color change you will observe?
Ma'am, pink.
Pink. Ma'am, pink.
Magic. Yes? The color is changed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
yes, color is changed, right? So this shows us that in base, phenolphthalein changes to pink, and in
Pink color.
methyl orange, the base change color to yellow,
Yellow.
right? Similarly, if I take acetic acid and I test with both of these indicators, right? You can see acetic acid is also colorless. If I add
Yes, ma'am.
methyl orange, what color change will be there?
Ma'am,
Pink. Pink beta. Yeah.
ma'am, pink.
Base में yellow and acid में pink, right? So pink color will be there. Pink or red. Are you change? Can you see the change of colors?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
It has changed to
Yes, ma'am.
red in color, dark pink. In some of the books it is written red, some of the books is written pink. So both of the color you can write, because as strong is the acid, same way is the result, and quantity also depends how much we have added the quantity, right? Now the last one we are going to test with acetic acid with phenolphthalein, right? What color change will be there?
Ma'am, no change.
Colorless.
In acid, the phenolphthalein will change to
No change.
Ma'am, no
change,
change.
colorless,
Change.
colorless. तो colorless हैं दोनों, तो test tube भी colorless रहनी चाहिए. That would be the result. Let us see.
Yes, ma'am.
I've added 4, 5, 6 drops. No change have been observed. I'm shaking it well. Then also no change is there. Okay? Happy to see?
Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Let us compare now.
Yes, ma'am.
In acid, we have observed methyl orange have changed to red in color, and in acid, the phenolphthalein was colorless. Similarly, in acid, we have observed in base, we have observed the methyl orange changes to
Yellow
methyl
color.
orange changes to
Yellow.
yellow in color,
Yellow color.
while in base it changes to which
Pink
color?
color.
Pink or red.
Which one?
Pink color.
Phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein changes to pink or red,
Pink.
while the methyl orange was changed to yellow in color.
Yellow in color.
Happy to
Yellow
see?
color.
Happy to see?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.